this is Carolin and I'm a certified baby wearing consultant from Germany. So today I show you for Klein Oscha how to wrap with a beautiful long ring sling. This is 3 meters and you can actually wrap nearly all carries you can wear with a size 4 with this one. So for me this is a base -2, so it has a lot of variety. You see it has a darker rail. This is a beautiful Oscha Starry Night Gold Dust, and a lighter rail, so it's easier to follow along the instructions. It makes sense to be an experienced wrapper already in a wrap, so when you go to a long ring sling that you kind of know the wraps techniques that you want to do. So today we want to do a double ring sling, so actually we use all the extensive lengths in here to go twice around your body and to have more stability in your back when you're wearing in a ring sling, and you can do that either in front or on your hip. I prefer more like frontal, a little bit switch to the side, but this is really up to you. So you take your preferred shoulder where you want to place the ring sling, and then you make sure not to be twisted. I have the lighter rail up here, and go all around your body once and twice, and here we go. And then you pass it from the inside towards the outside through both rings, and then the tail to run ring again from the outside to the inside. So we will then make sure the ring and the wrap are neatly together here. I do it over my thumb. Make sure we give a bit more room here to the baby, and the baby now comes into the inner pass. This is important. So make sure to make some room. Make sure that you have the ring somewhere where it's comfortable for you, so mostly underneath your shoulder, and then you take a bit of room for your baby to pass both legs. And I grab the doll now. So here we go. I let it slide through the first pass with both legs. Make sure. Perfect. That it's sitting on here, have an in position for the legs, and now I grab my upper tail. Remember the lighter rail here. I make sure my baby is positioned well. So now I have everything, and now you can also already pull up the second pass. Make sure again it's not twisted here, so the lighter rail should come up first, and also make it more comfortable in the back. Pull it upward here. So now what we want to do is to tighten the carry. We'll take the inner pass and take all the slack around us to the second pass, the outer pass, and we see here it's coming a lot, and we pull it through the rings. And now we're doing the same with the second pass. And I have a lot of slack here. You can see that already on my shoulder, that I have to pull really to tighten the lower pass here and feed all the slack also towards the rings, and then I can do strand by strand tightening here. And now we have a beautiful ring sling carry. This is really comfortable because of the back pass we have here, and baby is nice and secure. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to our channel and always watch for the safety care instructions at the end of the video. Thank you. Bye bye.